In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cash on Delivery, or COD, on Amazon. This convenient payment option allows you to pay for your purchases only when they arrive at your doorstep. If you're a customer wanting to know exactly how to take advantage of COD, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. We'll start by identifying items eligible for this payment option. COD is typically available for items that are fulfilled by Amazon and some items from third-party sellers. When you're browsing through Amazon's vast marketplace, you'll want to look for products that specifically mention COD availability. Once you have identified these eligible items, you can go ahead and add them to your cart. Now that your cart is filled with the items you wish to purchase, it's time to proceed to checkout. To do this, simply navigate to your shopping cart. Once there, you'll see an option to proceed to checkout, which will guide you to the payment and delivery details. During the checkout process, pay close attention to the payment method options presented to you. Look for the option labeled Pay on Delivery or Cash on Delivery. Selecting this will enable you to pay with cash or card when your purchase is delivered to your home. Before you finish placing your order, there's an important step you'll need to complete. Amazon will ask you to verify your mobile number by entering a one-time password or OTP. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that your transaction is safe and verified. You'll receive the OTP via a text message to the mobile number linked to your Amazon account. Be sure to enter this code accurately when prompted to continue with your purchase. Once you've verified your mobile number with the OTP, you're almost done. It's time to finalize your order by following the prompts to complete the transaction. After that, you can sit back and relax as your order makes its way to you. Now comes the easy part, paying upon delivery. When your package arrives, you have the option to pay the delivery associate in cash or, if available, with a card. This flexibility ensures that you can choose the payment method that is most convenient for you at the time of delivery. In summary, using Cash on Delivery on Amazon is straightforward, providing a safe and convenient way to shop without having to pay up front. Follow these steps the next time you're shopping to take full advantage of this service. Thanks for watching and happy shopping!